Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on NULS coin. In today's video, I would like to show you this down channel on the weekly time frame chart once again, and we will also take a look at this newly formed falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my recent trade setup of NULS coin that I shared with my members on 20th of July, when NULS coin completed a harmonic bullish reversal guardless setup on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, before this, NULS coin also formed another guardless that I also shared with my members as well, and this pattern was formed in the month of March, on 17th of March. And even before this guardless, NULS coin also formed this harmonic bat pattern as well that I also shared with my members, and that was formed in the month of July, on 31st of July 2021. And before that, NULS coin also formed another harmonic sharp move. So NULS coin is giving us a lot of buying opportunities every time I'm sharing with my members. Like, for example, this was a sharp move. Before that, we had another cipher move. Let's begin with this chart move that I shared in the month of March 2021. And if I play this chart, then we can see that the price line started a very powerful pump from this buying zone. And after this chart, I shared this bat move in the month of July 2021. And after playing this chart, we can see we had another very powerful pump from this potential reversal zone. And after this bat move, I shared this guardless move in the month of March 2022. And if I play this chart, then you can see we had another very powerful pump from this buying zone. And this is the most recent one that I shared on 20th of July. And that was another harmonic guardless move. And if I play this chart, then you can see we had another very nice pump. Now let me take you to the weekly time frame chart, and this is the NULS with US dollar pair live weekly time frame. And here I was watching at this trend line because we got rejection here, we got several rejections here as well, but now you can see that we got rejection here, and recently we got rejection here and here as well. Therefore, we also cannot ignore this support, this resistance, and therefore I'm just going to adjust this trend line. It is also possible that this previous trend line will also work as a support. However, we cannot ignore this trend line. And now you can see we got rejected first here, then we got rejected here, then here, then here. So we have more than 4 touch points here. And the support is here. And the price line is still moving inside this channel. Still, I would again repeat it that the previous trend line that is already broken out, and for example, if the price line moves more down, then it can still work as a support, because previously we also had several rejections by this trend line as well. However, this will be the more authentic trend line here. We got several rejections, and this is another down channel. And now we can see that the price line formed a double bottom here, and after forming a double bottom, it is struggling to break out this resistance. And after breaking out this resistance, we may have another strong resistance zone that is starting from 32 cents and goes to 35 cents. And you can see previously this level has been working as a strong support in resistance. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line. At the same time, on the daily time frame chart, we have this formation of falling wedge pattern. For example, if the price line breaks down this pattern, then in case of breakdown, our target can be to the downside here. That will be approximately at 11.5 cents or 12 cents. That will be quite down from here, and in that situation we can also it can also break down this support as well, but this can be a very strong support. You can see we have already formed a double bottom here as well that we have at 14.5 cents. And for example, if the price line breaks out, because this is a bullish bias pattern, therefore there is a probability that it may break out this resistance of the wedge. And at the same time, we also have a bullish divergence here. Like the price line is forming lower than previous low, and you can see RSI is forming higher low, and stochastic is also forming higher low. Therefore, there is a probability that we may break out the resistance. The resistance, by the way, is here at 22 cents, and after breaking out, we can reach here at approximately 27 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this resistance, and we can also make a powerful attempt to break out this resistance zone as well. That is from 32 cents and goes to 35 cents. And by the way, the target in case of breaking out this bigger channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.23. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.